Taco Bell started in Downey, California in 1962. Speaking of Downey, California, which is called the cradle of the cosmic age. We can get into that later, but the oldest McDonald's in the world is in Downey. Have you ever been to the oldest McDonald's in the world in Downey?
It's in Downey? I didn't realize that.
Oldest McDonald's in the world. It's absolutely a mid-century modern masterpiece. The building looks like it could take off for outer space. It's got the giant golden arches on it and this massive old school style classic neon sign that looks like it belongs on the Las Vegas Strip of the 1950s or 60s. So it is quite it's a world-class heritage site for sure. Whether it's officially sanctioned that or not, it should be, and it is by me. I mean, really. I mean, McDonald's, whether you like their hamburgers or not, revolutionized the food service industry. And
hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats. And all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video. And this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very